Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just can't wait to show you guys what is going on in the life of Angie this month. So as you guys saw, I did ask people what did they want to see as my video, and one of those things was to eat at a fancy restaurant in LA. So guess where I'm going? Stay tuned in 1, 2, 3.
Oh, let me be your nightmare syndrome. Say that love is a feeling that you hate.
This is where I came. Believe it or not, I'm a steak lover, so I came to a steakhouse and I'm gonna show you guys what I get. So you guys, what I have here is the steak soup with mushrooms. This is what it looks like. And then I have a cutting board here with prosciutto, bread, like a honey mustard. What this cheese is called, but yeah. But now the real tea is it approved or not, right? Let me see. It's really good. This is my full course meal, you guys. Broccolini and a ribeye steak with our chimichurri sauce and other sauces that I don't know what they are. Okay, you guys, just got out from eating at the place. Steak was okay. The steak was okay, not okay-ay. It was okay, period. It honestly, I feel so bad saying this, but at the same time I don't. But it really sucked in there. The steak was very like plain tasting. It was plain. It was plain. Like you knew you were eating meat because that's what you were looking at, you know. But if you had your eyes blindfolded and you were wondering what am I eating, you wouldn't have known because of how plain it was. When you go somewhere that's supposed to be expensive, you think, you know, oh, I'm gonna get my money's worth. No, this place was not it. It was not good. And yeah, this place is called Meat on the Ocean. It's the best restaurant in LA. It definitely had like a couple of good things though. One, the soup was pretty good. It kind of tasted like a caldo de res. But besides that, oh, you guys can see I'm cold. I'm like all red. But besides that, it was not good. I'm not recommending this place. On my way back home, I saw one of the coolest, most amazingest things ever. Do you think they have slime here? A slime? Damn, I've been looking for slime. I've been seeing this too. There's this person on YouTube that did a bathtub of this. Sections on sections on sections on sections of slime. This is a crazy store. This is such a cool store. St. Patrick's Day. Easter, Halloween. Girls need balls to golf. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And by the way, I'm your magician. I'm making tricks. Want to know what trick I'm making? You to like this video. Ooh. I'm the law enforcement and I'm ordering you to follow the law, to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Honestly, I'm really taken back by this. I'm honestly really amazed. And I have to admit that this place is 1,000 times better than the place I went to go eat. It's like a big elf leg. I must admit, I knew the store was legit. Once I saw they had their own slime selection. What the hell is that? Okay, you guys, I'm actually gonna go ahead and enjoy the store. It's pretty big, so I'm gonna go ahead and see what I get myself. You guys, I came to the store and I got the banana. I got slime, so when I'm on the road I can just play with it. And then I got a whole big one just to, like, I don't know, but I've been wanting to play with it. So and then I got a couple like little things that I don't want to show because my parents watch this. But I'm gonna show them off camera, of course, and I'm gonna get their reaction for you guys, you know, like later on. So we'll see. Come on, let's go. Today is such a special day because today my brother will be getting his new 2019 car. And I feel so excited for him. I am so overwhelmed with joy. Okay, let's go. I'm excited for him, that's why. Yeah, I have 1,000 subscribers.
Nice. Oh no, you're good. This is Jay, my finance manager.
Oh, we're vlogging the whole thing too. Congratulations.
Thank you. So excited for him.
Who's the lucky? Well, who's him? So it's
Yeah.
one of you two.
Him.
The one?
Yeah.
Looks good. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. We're gonna take this. We're gonna hit continue right over there.
Say that love is a feeling.
Lista.